What's good, guys? Today's video is in collaboration with Luvme Hair. You guys can see this really pretty packaging that they sent me in my favorite color, of course. I'll be working with their kinky straight affordable headband wig, and it's in the length 20 inches. Y'all know I've been rocking my headband wigs this season, and what I love about headband wigs is that they're quick and easy to go. So yeah, here I'm just showing you guys all the stuff that came in the box, and then right here I'm just checking out how the hair feels, if it sheds a lot, and bruh, it doesn't. And also I'm just showing you guys the density of the hair. And now the hair comes with 2 velcros so that you can just secure the wigs down there, or a velcro. So we're just placing the hair, and yeah, like, headband wigs are so quick and easy to put on. You don't need no glue, you don't need no special skills, you just have to throw it on and go. So here, the first style, I'm just brushing the hair, and you can see how cute this texture is. Like, Luvme hair, this Luvme headband wig is giving texture, bruh. Like, this was my first time trying a kinky textured wig, and I must say, I think I'm actually sold. I think I've found a texture I like. Obviously, I love the silky straights and all of that, but this texture is giving. Now on to number 2 hairstyle. Here, I'm just passing a straightener through for my girls that don't like a really puffy look. This hair is human hair, so it takes heat really well, as you can see. And if you're not as lazy as I am, you can literally take this texture from kinky to bone straight. So that's basically what I'm doing. I wasn't patient enough, so it still looks a little bit puffy, but you get the gist. Now, these are the headbands that came with the hair. So if you purchase this hair, you're gonna get 5 free headbands. So I'm just showing you guys the different patterns and a different color. They're so cute. My favorite one is the animal skin one, as you guys already know. So now I'm gonna do the typical half up, half down style. So that's it right there. I just like divided it, and it looks so cute. And yeah, just showing you guys some, you know, slow-mo or whatever. But yeah, I made reels as well, so you guys should definitely go check out the reels, because yeah, tell me also what you think about the editing in the reels, because it was I feel like I did a good job. But yeah, on to the next one. Here I'm just gonna do like a side swoop, like Saweetie's side swoop. So that's basically what I'm going for here. And yeah, I'm just gonna use the headband to hold the swoop. You can use bobby pins as well. Like, the box came with bobby pins, so thank you Luvme Hair for that. So you can use that. And yeah, that's what I'm doing. If you love this video so far, guys, please like, comment, subscribe, like, click that button. Come on. So yeah, I just did like a side what do they call it? I put it in a ponytail, basically. Yeah, guys. It's super cute. For the second to the last style, I decided to do 2 pigtails. So I'm gonna give you guys some Blossom from Powerpuff Girls, like, you know, vibes. So that's basically what I was doing here. I love this style because it's just so cute. It just reminds me of my childhood days when I used to think I was one of the Powerpuff Girls. But yeah, let's roll up the Powerpuff Girls theme song. Let's go. Yes, if you guys used to watch Powerpuff Girls, you're a real one, okay? Yes, man. So yeah, for the last style, I'm gonna, not the last style actually, the second to the last, the other one wasn't second to last. So I decided to do a really, you know, side parting or whatever. So I pushed back the headband some more so it looks more natural. But yeah, that's the style. Very simple, nothing much, easy to go, cute. Style. This one is for my babes that don't like stress. Okay, so if you would like to go to the gym, if you like to just chill at home, if you like to go to class, obviously you should go to class. Yeah, you get me, right? Yeah, you get me. So yeah, this hairstyle is basically just a simple bun. It's very easy. It's very stress free. So if you just want to keep all the hair out of your body, out of your face, so this is the hair for you. And this is just the final one. Yeah, I really love this one. It's so cute, and I'm just feeling myself.
This hair is actually giving, like, oh my gosh, guys. I still have to do reels. So this thing better act right, okay? This hair is a statement. If you guys see me in class with this hair, classmates, just know that this is vibes, okay? It's giving natural. Love me hair. Thank you. You guys did a brilliant job with this unit. I really love it. Like, whoo! I need to do the reels first, actually.